Hello, my name is Manasi Alashi. I have completed MMS with a specialization in finance, and along with I have completed investment banking and a hedge fund certification from Magic Institute of Excellence, and I am recently placed in Enfusion as a hedge fund analyst. My experience with the Magic Institute of Excellence was very amazing. I want to know more about financial products and financial market, so I have joined Magic Institute of Excellence. During this certification, I gained a lot of knowledge about derivatives, equity, bonds, mutual fund, hedge fund, etc. and also getting a practical knowledge about it. Communication and a linking session helped me to ready for a corporate. The trainers and the whole MI team was very supportive. In this course, Vishal sir and Prathamesh sir guide and support each and every student, and they are also friendly with their students. Magic Institute of Excellence extensively shaped my career, and I'm glad that I have joined Magic Institute of Excellence as my career development partner. I would like to thank you Vishal sir, Prathamesh sir and whole MIE team for their endless support. Thank you so much.